Okay, so drawing number one. This one's pretty easy, but some people requested it. So basically, drawing number one is really about getting to know the drafting tools and drawing your border and title block, which I went over in a previous video. And simply all you're doing is measuring and drawing these 6 lines and then writing down the measurements after each one. So I already have my border and title block done because I just drew it for in the previous demonstration. But for this one, it doesn't really matter where you put or position the lines on here. Not really yet. You're just going to do number one somewhere on top in the middle, kind of like that. Then measure the first line, and it's 4 5/16. So using your scale, you're going to put a mark at 0, a mark at 4 5/16. Then take your T-square, make sure your T-square is snug up against the side. Now it doesn't matter if your points don't necessarily line up to your T-square. Don't try and line your points up to your T-square, because those points aren't necessarily straight. They're just a linear measurement that we have. So what we'll do is we'll take and line it up to their location. You can draw that line point to point and go 4 5/16. Then the next one right below it on there, again, it doesn't matter the spacing. You're going to do number 2 down here and then measure it, and it comes out to be 2 and looks like 2, 4, 6, 8, 11/16. So mark at 0, mark at 2 and 11/16. Draw the line, write down the measurement, and that's pretty much all you're going to do for all 6 lines. You're just going to measure and draw those lines and write down the measurements right after them on your paper, and that's it.